how to check who is using my Wi-Fi and how to block. To check, first go to the URL bar and then type 192.168.0.1 and hit enter, and you will see this interface. After that, you need to type your local password, login. Now go to network maps, and then on the right side you will see client. Just click on that and you will see all of the client list. And if you see any unknown device, then you can block it very easy. Just go to right side and then you will see block option. Just click on that and then click on block. Now this will be block listed, and you will see view deny list, and you will see all of the block listed from here, and you can unblock this. Just click on delete option and this will be unblocked. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.